In the span of 7 million years, the human brain tripled in size, with most of its growth occurring in the past 2 million years. The development of the computer had a similar trajectory, but it expanded at a much faster pace. Data such as text, photos, voices, videos, geolocations, and electronic transactions, the processing power, and the network connectivity have grown exponentially since the year 2000 in the wildlands of the Internet. Today, machine learning is reaching new heights from its strong base. In 2016, AlphaGo won over human brains by a landslide, officially marking the start of the artificial intelligence era. The current machine learning and big data market is already huge. The International Data Corporation foresees that the industry's revenue will reach over $210 billion in 2020. We have tech giants that have heavily invested and gained remarkable achievements that leverage their online or public data mainly from users' searches along with social media contributions. Yet, most of the data stored in our smartphones, tablets, and laptops is offline or privately held due to privacy concerns. Thus, the data accessed by these tech giants is merely the tip of the iceberg. Of course, there are the 2.3 billion smartphones and 2 billion PCs, bringing it up to 4.3 billion devices with a massive amount of untapped private data and unutilized processing capacity available for machine learning. Imagine every decentralized device's private data and idle processing power being utilized. Another technological revolution would surely begin. Decentralized machine learning is the key to this revolution. It will unleash the full potential of untapped data, idle processing power, and developers' innovation from the periphery via the blockchain. This will mark the start of another new era, the decentralized machine learning era. Decentralized machine learning adopts this blockchain technology to build a decentralized protocol for both public and private data machine learning. It will be built on Ethereum first, with multi-blockchain migration capability in the future. Data owners will be able to download our app and authorize it to run machine learning algorithms on their devices, along with the option to select specific types of data to be analyzed without noticeable impact on the performance of a device's normal operation. Only the idle processing power of the device will be used to run machine learning algorithms. The data will remain within their devices, and only the collective analyzed results will be shared with the algorithm's users through our secure network. As a result, individual data privacy is well protected. Unlike the existing tech giants, decentralized machine learning will provide economic incentives to data owners. So, what about the machine learning algorithms? By creating a developers community, developers can build various algorithms and submit them to the DML algorithm marketplace, for which innovation is free from tech giants' approval. Our blockchain smart contracts allow developers to receive incentives directly in a trustless way without any middlemen. Therefore, data, processing power, and algorithms will all be decentralized in our protocol. Imagine you are the boss of the most renowned fast fashion brand in the world. You're planning your next season's collection and you want to predict the latest trends. Or you run an investment fund and you want to know about upcoming investment sentiments. How about the director of an international rescue organization who wants to know what kind of resources are lacking in a disaster area? Through our decentralized machine learning protocol, all of these answers can be discovered more accurately and without bias because it can access a much more complete dataset with cross-data types, whereas individual tech giants only get part of the whole picture. With potentially billions of devices to be connected and numerous amounts of algorithms to be built and run, limitless possibilities of innovation will be unlocked. The whole ecosystem will keep evolving and challenging the existing tech giants. This is a revolution in a decentralized way, combining blockchain and machine learning. Explore our decentralized machine learning protocol at decentralizedml.com.